Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about Final Fantasy XVI, and as you can see here on my PC guys, I have the game and I'm playing it. And if you want to learn how to get the game, a copy of the game for free guys like me, then watch this video tutorial until the end. I'm gonna explain all the steps I did for myself so you can do it also after on your own on the platform that you play, okay? So we'll continue this tutorial immediately to show everything you need to know guys so you can learn it how to do it. So basically guys, as you can see right over here, I'm having my phone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game for free. So basically what is going to happen, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the game, a copy of the game guys for free. Okay, so me, I got it by SMS, so I'm gonna show to you how it looks like. And it says, congratulations, the task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. It's your Final Fantasy 16 game code from Coupon Finder. So basically I went to this site guys, where you can find also other things you can check later, and I type the name of the game here, press on it, and then you scroll it down. You have the codes for PC5 and PC. So for the both platforms guys, the steps are the same, so you just need to choose which one you play. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with PC since I did it for myself, so, but also for PC5 it's going to be the same. So show coupon and then unlock the code guys, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circle get complete 100%, and then it's going to redirect you guys to another page when it will require a little task in order to unlock the code. It's pretty simple to do it, just you need to read the instructions, and here in the instruction it says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Final Fantasy XVI game code, and after completing the task, enter phone number or email above to receive the code. As you saw me, I got it by text because I put my phone number. You can put your email if you want. This is on your choice how you want to get it, but before you do that, you'll check the list down below where you're gonna find the apps, and you just need to complete 2 of these 2 apps guys from the list. As you can see, all of them there for free. You don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from Play Store and App Store, so there's nothing to get worried about. They are from official stores, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores. Okay, so what do you have to do guys? You just need to choose 2 of these apps to complete as a task. You read the instructions because every app has different instructions, so make sure you read it careful so you don't make any mistakes, so you can do it correctly. In fact, there are very simple steps, but just to mention it. And another thing you need to keep in mind is that you should be a new user only. For example, if you have TikTok already in your device, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You should choose another app which you didn't have it downloaded before in your device. Okay, so if you, for example, if you don't use TikTok, then you can do TikTok. It's a very simple app to do it. It says just to run it for 30 seconds, so you just need to download it and to open it. Alright, so me guys, I did this seasonally and fetch rewards. I did this too because I didn't have, and it was very simple to do it as a task. So how it works, you just need to press on it. It shows again instruction what you have to do, continue, and then it will as you can see, it will show you what this task is requiring. It says here to go, it will take you to App Store practically, and you just need to type buy now pay later and find where is Seasley app, and it just says to open it, to install it, to open. So very simple task. It took me like 1 minute, the whole process. So we just go here. Okay, one more time. The task, it says buy now and pay later. You just go and type here as the task is required, press on it, and here it is easily. To me it shows open because I did it before. To you show the sign of downloading, so basically you just need to download it to open it, and you just need to install the app and to open it. So basically this is it, the whole process they are required to do. Very simple step guys. And then the second one, it's fetch rewards, as you can see here, and if you go back, and here is fetch rewards. Also fetch rewards is the same. Press on it, continue. To redirect again to App Store or Play Store, depends on the device that you have. And to me it shows open again because I did it before, so I downloaded and I opened it and so on. So after I complete both of these 2 guys, I came here, I put my phone number, and I submitted, and a couple of minutes after they verified guys, they just send me the code, as you can see here. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.